Good afternoon. Today is another edition of
Faithful Fridays.
Faithful Fridays.
Yeah.
That's right. And today we'll be doing a special edition here for you for the Minions. Yay! The Minions are very lovable, yellow, little, small creatures with very little hair.
Yeah.
Just a little basis for
And
you.
they like to pull pranks.
They do like to pull pranks.
Mabata.
And today is the third part of the If I Were series. We really hope you enjoyed our last one, which was me and Seth were news reporters, and we were finding out about all of Noah's
Day and age.
day and age.
The
That's
stone
right.
calendars.
Right, stone calendars. Those things really are expensive if you look them up on eBay. Which back then it wasn't called eBay. I don't know what it was called. But
Oh.
I don't know.
eBay.
Or early eBay or something.
eBay. Well, eBay stands for early bay.
It does. It does. Maybe that's what it actually stands for. Alright, we'll get back to you. And these little toys here, y'all can guess where they're from. Where are they from?
Mickey D's.
Mickey D's. Yes, we are kids. And if you want one, they're probably still there, so you better hurry up. Dave is expecting you to buy one.
And Steve.
And Steve, too.
Uh-huh.
My eyes. I have 2 eyes. You only have 1. That's the thing about Minions. You never know how many
No.
eyes they have. I've always seen them with 2 and 1 eyes. Have you ever seen them with, like, 3 eyes, though? I
No.
haven't. I haven't either. Okay. Now, there were these evil Minions that were purple.
Mm-hmm.
They're quite weird looking. We didn't bring the little toy out today, but I'm sure he wanted to be on the show.
No,
But-
he didn't. He'd want to eat everything.
He probably would want to eat everything. And what would you do if you were a Minion, Seth? If you had any power, I mean, you'd be small, you could sneak, spy anywhere.
I would make milkshakes all day. Because if you notice, they never are that. They all look the same shape.
They do all look the same shape, no matter what they eat.
Some of them are shorter
always-
and taller than others, but they're always the same shape.
They have this round shape to them, you know?
But they never get fatter or skinnier.
It is kind of a cute shape, ain't it?
Mm-hmm.
I guess you could call it that.
Tater tots.
Tater tot. Are you calling them food?
Maybe. I wonder what they taste like.
Why would you want to taste a Minion?
Why would you?
I don't want to.
Who said you did?
You. So, if I were a Minion, I probably would eat all day though. Because no matter what, it's the same. I'm with you on that. Would you share the milkshakes with me?
No.
I'd make my own then. They'd
I
be
would
better.
put salt in yours. And pepper.
Why?
Because it's fun.
You'd be playing the pranks.
Yeah.
And at the end of this show, we're gonna try and have the Minions demonstrate a special song for you. Because the thing about Minions are, no matter what condition they're in, they love to sing. I just don't get it. They are always these little happy little creatures just sitting there with their mouth open,
My mouth ain't open.
singing.
Look at this guy. Look at his mouth.
Well, maybe he doesn't want to sing.
Well, you just said all of them do.
Well, he's an exception.
Well, you should say
You
exceptional.
shouldn't take me literally.
You should say exceptional minions sing.
Are you trying to go all vocab on me?
Yeah.
Okay. And yeah, that's pretty much everything we know about Minions. They work.
And they glow in the dark.
They glow in the dark. That's true. You shake them up and then they.
Yeah.
And they work for what's his name?
Gru.
Gru.
But they always don't. That's just the main one they work for. That's the best villain they've ever worked for.
Superhero as well.
Superhero.
Gru has. He's one of those. What do you learn in literature? He's a protagonist to a certain extent. But what's when you change over a period of time? Do you know what I'm talking about?
Literate.
Illiterate. That might be it. Alright, you might know what we're talking about. Like a character, it's not well rounded, like you start out in the story the same throughout it. It might be static. It might be static. If you can tell us that, we'd love if you could comment down below if it's static, because we really want to know ourselves now. It's very interesting. We need to look that up for the next show to make sure, just in case they can't find it either. But we learned it in literature class sometime or another. And the Minions, they probably don't understand. They would probably bring me like a shredded piece of paper if I asked them what static means. Quick reflexes, bro. Alright. And they're going to sing a special song for you. We hope you enjoy. And Gru is... What were we going to say about Gru?
He's one good guy.
He is. You're gonna make me
Best
cry.
villain ever.
And hero.
And hero.
And hero. Moment of silence. Okay. Alright. That's good. And we're gonna let them sing for y'all, and we hope you enjoyed this little special edition, little fun time with Minions of Faithful Fridays.
Yeah.
And we'll sign off.
Penguin